and welcome to our English learning audio lesson. My name is Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. We're so glad you're here to practice with us today.
Today, we have a very useful topic for anyone who loves to travel or might need to travel for work.
That's right. We are going to talk all about staying at a hotel. We'll cover everything from the moment you arrive to the moment you leave.
This lesson will help you feel more confident when you speak English at a hotel. We will go slowly and make sure everything is clear and easy to understand.
Exactly. No pressure here, just relax and listen. Trevor, to get us started, have you stayed in any hotels recently?
I have, actually. A few weeks ago, I took a short trip to the coast. I stayed in a small, quiet hotel right near the beach.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
It was. When I arrived, I went to the reception desk to check in. The person there was very friendly. He asked for my name, and I said, I have a reservation under the name Trevor.
And he found it easily?
Yes, he did. He gave me a key card for my room and told me breakfast was served from 7 a.m. It was all very smooth and simple.
That's the perfect start to a trip. That first step, checking in, is what we'll focus on first.
All right, let's begin with section 1, checking in. When you arrive at a hotel, the first thing you do is check in. This means you register your arrival.
And you do this at the reception desk, right? What are some important words to know here, Trevor?
Good question. First is reservation or booking. This is the arrangement you make before you arrive to have a room saved for you.
Okay, so I make a reservation online or by phone. Got it.
Exactly. The person who helps you at the desk is called a receptionist. They will probably ask for your ID. That's your identification, like a passport or driver's license.
And what about the key? Hotels don't use old metal keys much anymore.
That's true. Now they usually give you a key card. It's a plastic card that you hold against the door lock to open it.
Okay, this is making sense. So let's try a real dialogue. How about I be the guest and you be the receptionist?
That's helpful. What about different types of rooms? I sometimes see options like single, double, or suite. What do those mean? A great idea, Alicia. Let's begin.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Good afternoon. Certainly. What name is the reservation under?
It's under Alicia.
All right, Miss Alicia. I see your booking right here. A double room for 3 nights. May I see your passport and a credit card, please?
Of course, here they are.
Thank you. Everything is all set. Here is your key card. Your room is number 512 on the 5th floor. The elevators are just around the corner to your right.
Great, thank you. Just one question. What's the Wi-Fi password?
The network is Hotel Guest, and the password is Welcome123. It's also written on the sleeve for your key card.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay.
That was a great example. It sounded very natural.
Now let's practice some of the important sentences. We will say them slowly first, and then at a normal, natural speed. We encourage you to pause the audio and repeat after us.
Ready? The first sentence is, I have a reservation.
Let's say it slowly. I have a reservation.
And now, naturally, I have a reservation.
Excellent. Another useful question is asking about internet access.
Right. What's the Wi-Fi password? Let's try that one.
Slowly, what's the Wi-Fi password?
And naturally, what's the Wi-Fi password?
Great job. You see, checking in can be very simple with just a few key phrases.
Okay, we've checked in and we're in the room. This brings us to section 2, during your stay.
Sometimes you might need something while you're in your room. Maybe you need an extra towel, or perhaps you have a question.
So how do you ask for things politely? What's a good phrase to use?
A wonderful and very polite phrase is, could I have? Or could you please send? For example, if you need a towel, you can say, could I have an extra towel, please?
That sounds very polite. Who do you call for something like that? The receptionist?
You can call the front desk or reception. Some hotels also have a special number for housekeeping, which is the department that cleans the rooms and provides things like towels and pillows.
Okay, let's try another role play. I will be the guest again, calling the front desk from my room.
Perfect. I'll be the hotel staff. The phone ring. Front desk, Trevor speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, this is room 512. Could I have an extra blanket, please? It's a little cold in my room.
Of course, we can send one right up to you. I can also explain how to adjust the heating in your room if you like.
Oh, that would be wonderful. Thank you.
Not a problem. Someone from housekeeping will be there with your blanket in a few minutes.
Thank you so much for your help.
That was another excellent real life example. The key phrase was, could I have? Let's practice it together.
Okay, let's say it slowly first. Could I have an extra blanket, please?
And now at a natural pace, could I have an extra blanket, please?
You can use this for so many things. Could I have a bottle of water? Could I have another pillow? It's so useful.
Now, what if something is not working? For example, the television.
A good question. For this, you can use the simple phrase, my blank isn't working.
Let's practice that one. Slowly, my television isn't working.
And naturally, my television isn't working, or the air conditioning isn't working.
It's a simple and very clear way to explain a problem. The hotel staff will understand and help you.
Okay, we've enjoyed our stay, but now it's time to leave. This is our final section. Section 3, checking out.
Checking out is the process of formally leaving the hotel and paying your bill. Most hotels have a specific checkout time, usually in the morning, like 11 a.m. or 12 p.m.
So you go back to the reception desk one last time?
That's right, you return your key card and settle the bill. The bill is the document that shows how much money you need to pay for the room and any other services you use.
Okay, I think I'm ready for our last role play. Let's do the checkout conversation.
Sounds good. I'll be the receptionist one more time.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning. Of course. What was your room number?
Room 512.
Thank you. Okay, Miss Alicia, here is your final bill. Please take a moment to look it over.
Thank you. Yes, everything looks correct.
Wonderful. And will you be paying with the credit card on file?
Yes, please.
All right, the payment is complete. We hope you had a pleasant stay with us.
I did. It was very nice. Thank you.
We're glad to hear it. Have a safe journey.
And just like that, the trip is over. Let's practice the main sentence for checking out.
The key phrase is, I'd like to check out. The I'd is short for I would. It is a very polite way to say what you want.
Let's try it slowly. I'd like to check out.
And now at natural pace, I'd like to check out.
Another good phrase to know is when the receptionist asks, how will you be paying? This is asking if you want to use cash, credit card, or another method.
You can simply answer by credit card, please, or with cash. Simple and clear.
And that brings us to the end of our lesson. Let's do a very quick summary.
Today we learned the English you need for a hotel stay. We started with checking in, using the phrase, I have a reservation.
Then, for during your stay, we learned how to ask for things politely with could I have, and how to report a problem with my isn't working.
And finally, we learned how to leave the hotel by saying, I'd like to check out.
We hope you feel more prepared and confident now. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step forward is a success.
That's exactly right. Don't worry about being perfect. The most important thing is to communicate. Hotel staff around the world are used to speaking with people from many different countries. They will be happy to help you.
Keep practicing these phrases. Say them out loud. Imagine yourself in a hotel. The more you practice, the easier it will become.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep up the amazing work with your English learning.
Yes, thank you. We look forward to having you with us for our next lesson. Until then, happy learning and goodbye.